Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors names. Red color, violet color, dark green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, pink color, dark blue color, light green color, black color, purple color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for animals. B for birds. C for candy. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kids. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ox. P for pencil. Q for question. R for ring. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.